Now that we've actually set up our environment, we can make changes to the source code and contribute to the development of the Slurp'it plugin project. So this is the development environment, and from here I want to make changes, a tiny change to the front end. So I'm going to go back here to the app. I'm going to go to Slurp'it, and whatever change you make will be related to this section only, the Slurp'it plugin. And for example, let's go to settings, see what we have. And here I have a tab called data tabs. So I just want to change this to demo tabs. And to just prove the point, I'm going to go here, go to source, and rather Docker source, Slurp'it NetBox, templates, and settings.html. So from here, I'm going to search for data tabs, and I am going to change these to demo tabs. Save it, go here, and basically we have two files here, reload.sh and reload.bat. If you use Windows, then you want to use this script, which is basically a way to reload the Django framework in the backend, so the changes would take effect. If you use Windows or Mac, then this is the one that you want to execute, reload.shell. I am using Windows for my main operating system, but this environment is inside an Ubuntu machine. So I have to choose this one and say bash reload.sh, and it is okay. Now, if I go back here, reload, you see now that this is changed to demo tabs now. And by the way, if you use the project in the developer mode, you have some options. You have some extra options. For example, we have this reset plugin, which would reset all the configurations and changes to the plugin, and it would make it as default. And there are some other changes. For example, if I believe go to choose one of these, maybe push or both, maybe save it. You see the API endpoints and API reference here as well. So that was it for this video. If you want to contribute to the project, feel free to do so. We'll be very happy to have your help. And if you want to reach out, you basically have several options. You can go to contact. You can fill in the contact form. You can reach out to us on Slack. And actually, if you go down, click on the Slack symbol here, it will take you to the NetDev community Slack channel, and you can find us from there. So I hope you enjoyed this series. I will see you in the future ones.